How to fix Morgan Stanley Bank app not working. Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll show you how you can fix your Morgan Stanley Bank app if it is not working. So this may be due to various different reasons. So in this video, we'll go through the most common reasons and how you can fix them. So the first and foremost thing you can do is basically check your internet connection and make sure you have a stable Wi-Fi or a data connection. As Morgan Stanley Bank app is an application that requires a stable internet connection to work. If you do not have one, your app will not work, so make sure you have a stable Wi-Fi or data connection. Second thing you can do is update your app to the latest version, as sometimes if the app is not updated to the latest version, some of the newer features and fixes will not work, causing your app to crash or not load entirely. Third thing you can do is basically close and reopen the app. Now in most of the cases, doing these three things will fix your problem. But if your problem is still there, you can try restarting your device, clearing cache memory if you're on an Android device, and most importantly, check the server status of Morgan Stanley. Now, if the status of the servers are not operational, then no matter what you do, your app will not work because the servers are down. So make sure all of them are operational. And doing these in most of the cases will solve your problem. And if your problem is still there, you can basically try to contact with the support team and they will be able to help you with your problem. So that was it for this video. Thank you so much for watching.